It's another sitting area. And looking back at our first area. Lovely grass over here, Gary. Hey, Jackie. Walking her beat to the beat of her own drum.
There's a feeling we get when we look from the west. Oh, hello, Jackie. How you doing there, baby? Oh, you gonna say hello to the camera? Where's your boy, eh? Yes. Oh, good girl. There must be... Oh, hang on. I'll try and recreate from ages back. We need to see Andy be doing the voiceover, don't we, Jackie? Yes, we do. Oh, yeah. Good girl. Oh, hello. Who's that I can hear? Oh, our captain wants to be in on it. Our Captain Boy and Jackie Sparrow. Oh, that is awesome, mate. Going so good. Oops, wrong end. There we are. Good girl. Oh, both coming out. What do we do with a drunken sailor? What do we do with a drunken sailor? What do we do? Oh, you're going for the coffee. You're going for accordion. Early in the morning. Well, back in 2017, it was a banjolin. Haven't got the bagpipes yet. We can try and play this, but maybe later. Oh, and lovely grass. Oh, hang on. Lovely grass over here is gone. It's now all gravel. You got it good, folks. Yeah. So enjoy your day. Unless planned otherwise, of course. Nobody home, nobody gnome. And we're buying a stairway to heaven. Oh no, we aren't. It's a free gift to those who want it.